Updating your primary email on Outlook is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your email settings are current. Step 1. Open Outlook. Launch the Outlook application on your computer. Make sure you are logged in with the account you wish to update. Step 2. Access account settings. Click on the File tab in the top left corner of the window. From the menu that appears, select Account Settings, then choose Account Settings again from the drop-down. Step 3. Select the email account. In the Account Settings window, you will see a list of your email accounts. Click on the email account you want to set as your primary email. Step 4. Set as primary. With the desired email account highlighted, look for the Set as Default button. Click this button to make the selected email account your primary email. Step 5. Confirm changes. After setting the email as default, click Close to exit the Account Settings window. Restart Outlook to ensure that the changes take effect. Now your primary email is updated in Outlook. If you have any further questions or need assistance, feel free to reach out for help.